Hello viewers, today we have observed this crack. This is the existing CMU wall, which is 40 feet long and 15 feet high. So in this cracks appeared. Why? Because missing of expansion joints, no vertical expansion joints provided on the wall. This wall is 40 feet long, so they're supposed to provide at 20 feet in between the wall, that is the expansion joint should be provided. Due to no expansion joint, these cracks appeared, vertical cracks. So expansion joints are necessary to accommodate thermal expansions and contractions as well as other movements in the structures. So without expansion joints, your walls can develop cracks like this. To avoid these cracks, please provide expansion joints.